This happens to your body when you start eating eggs every day. Ever wondered if there's a secret ingredient to boost your health lying right in your kitchen? It's eggs. Join us as we scramble up some surprising facts about what happens when you start your day with eggs. Today, we're hatching a plan to dive deep into the incredible world of eggs, a simple yet powerful food that's more than just a breakfast staple. Are you ready to crack the code on how daily egg consumption can transform your health? From revving up your brain power to fortifying your muscles, we're about to explore the exceptional benefits that come with adding this nutrient-packed powerhouse to your daily diet. Whether you're a fitness freak, a busy bee, or just someone aiming for better health, this video is your golden yolk of wisdom. Stay with us till the end, and you might just find the missing piece to your wellness puzzle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more health-transforming tips. Let's get cracking. 1. Eggs in the fight against breast cancer. The potential role of egg consumption in lowering the risk of breast cancer is largely associated with choline, a nutrient plentiful in eggs. Choline's importance spans numerous functions in the body, including maintaining cell membrane structure and aiding in neurotransmitter synthesis. Harvard University's research underscores the value of egg intake during adolescent years for the potential reduction in breast cancer risk, underscoring the long-term impact of dietary choices during key developmental stages. Complementing this, a study by the University of North Carolina found that choline could potentially lower breast cancer risk by up to 24%, highlighting choline's critical role in cellular health and its capacity to uphold cell structure and normal functionality, which are key in preventing cancer that often stems from cell growth and division anomalies. For reaping these potential advantages, regularly incorporating eggs into a well-rounded diet is suggested. However, it's essential to recognize that while eggs can be instrumental in mitigating breast cancer risk, a diverse diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains remains crucial. Furthermore, lifestyle choices such as regular physical activity, abstaining from smoking, and moderating alcohol intake are equally important in cancer prevention strategies. 2. Brain function. Eggs contribute positively to brain health due to their rich nutrient profile, which includes vitamins B12 and D, choline, and omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients are essential for maintaining the structure and function of brain cells and supporting cognitive function. Vitamin B12 is crucial for nerve health and the synthesis of DNA, while vitamin D has been linked to improved mental clarity and reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases. A study published in the journal Nutrients highlighted the role of these nutrients in maintaining cognitive function, particularly in older adults. By incorporating eggs into your diet, you provide your brain with key nutrients essential for its optimal functioning, potentially enhancing memory, focus, and other cognitive processes. 3. Balanced nutrition. Eggs are often referred to as a nature's multivitamin due to their rich content of essential nutrients. They contain a variety of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, several B vitamins, phosphorus, selenium, and iron. These nutrients play vital roles in many bodily functions, such as cell growth, energy production, and immune system support. The nutrient diversity in eggs makes them a compact, affordable source of balanced nutrition. Their unique composition also helps fill nutritional gaps common in many people's diets, particularly in populations with limited dietary variety. A study in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition highlights eggs' role in providing key nutrients that are often underconsumed in the typical Western diet, underscoring their value in a balanced diet. 4. Improved good cholesterol. Eggs can positively influence cholesterol profiles by increasing levels of high-density lipoprotein, HDL, commonly known as a good cholesterol. HDL plays a crucial role in heart health by helping remove other forms of cholesterol from the bloodstream. Research published in the Journal of Nutrition found that consuming eggs regularly can lead to increased HDL levels, which is associated with a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease. It's important to note, however, that individual responses to dietary cholesterol vary, and some people may see more significant changes in their cholesterol levels than others when consuming eggs. 5. Energy production. Eggs are a significant source of B vitamins, including B2, or riboflavin, and B12, which are crucial for energy production in the body. B vitamins help convert the food we eat into glucose, which is used as energy. Furthermore, eggs contain iron, which is essential for the production of red blood cells and the transportation of oxygen throughout the body, contributing to energy levels. A study in the International Journal of Food Sciences and Nutrition highlighted the role of B vitamins in energy metabolism, emphasizing the importance of including B vitamin-rich foods like eggs in a balanced diet. 6. Healthy skin and hair. The high-quality protein and sulfur-containing amino acids in eggs are vital for the health of skin and hair. Protein is a building block of skin and hair, and sulfur-containing amino acids play a role in their strength and resilience. Eggs also contain biotin, a B vitamin that's essential for skin, hair, and nail health. A review in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology noted the role of nutrients such as biotin in maintaining the appearance and health of hair and skin. Regular consumption of eggs can contribute to a healthy appearance, reinforcing the importance of a balanced diet for cosmetic health. 7. Weight management. Eggs can aid in weight management due to their high protein content, which is known to be satiating. Protein-rich foods like eggs can help people feel fuller for longer, reducing the likelihood of snacking on high-calorie, less nutritious foods. A study in the International Journal of Obesity found that an egg breakfast, compared to a bagel breakfast of similar calories, enhanced weight loss for overweight individuals when combined with an energy deficit diet. The satiating effect of eggs makes them a valuable addition to weight loss or weight management diets. 8. Rich in vitamins. Eggs are a valuable source of several vitamins, including vitamins A, D, E, and a range of B vitamins. Vitamin A is important for vision and immune function. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in bone health and immune response. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, and B vitamins are vital for energy metabolism and brain health. A study published in the Journal of the American Dietetic Association highlights the role of eggs in supplying hard-to-get nutrients like vitamin D, which is not abundantly available in many food sources. This makes eggs particularly valuable in diets where these nutrients might otherwise be lacking. 9. Omega-3 enriched. Eggs, especially those enriched with omega-3 fatty acids, offer significant health benefits. Omega-3s are essential fats that the body cannot produce on its own. They play a crucial role in brain health and reducing inflammation. Consuming omega-3 enriched eggs is an effective way to increase your intake of these beneficial fats. These eggs are produced by feeding hens a diet rich in omega-3 sources like flaxseed. Research, including a study published in the Journal of Nutrition, has shown that omega-3 enriched eggs can significantly increase omega-3 fatty acid levels in the blood, which is beneficial for heart health, brain function, and overall inflammation reduction. Regular consumption of these eggs can be particularly advantageous for individuals who do not consume enough omega-3 rich foods, like fish. 10. Versatility in diet. Eggs are incredibly versatile, making them a valuable addition to many diets. They can be cooked in various ways, boiled, scrambled, poached, or baked, and included in a range of dishes from omelets to cakes. This versatility makes eggs an excellent food choice for people with different dietary preferences, including those on vegetarian, ketogenic, or gluten-free diets. Their ease of preparation also makes them suitable for quick meals, essential for people with busy lifestyles. The American Heart Association suggests eggs as a protein source in meals and snacks, highlighting their adaptability to various cuisines and dietary patterns. This versatility, combined with their nutritional profile, makes eggs a practical and nutritious choice for diverse dietary needs. 11. Contains choline. Choline, found abundantly in eggs, is a critical nutrient for several bodily functions, notably brain health and development. It is vital for the creation of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter involved in memory and muscle control. Despite its importance, choline is often underconsumed. A study in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition emphasized the role of eggs as an excellent choline source, helping to meet dietary recommendations. Regular egg consumption can contribute to improved cognitive function, memory, and overall nervous system health. This makes eggs particularly important for pregnant women, as choline is crucial for fetal brain development and may reduce the risk of developmental abnormalities. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, but as with any food, balance is key. Incorporating eggs into your daily diet can offer a range of health benefits, from improved brain function to stronger muscles. Aim to include them in a balanced way, tailored to your dietary needs. Keep in mind that eggs do contain cholesterol, so if you have specific health conditions like high cholesterol or heart disease, it's important to consult your healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes. Thank you for tuning in to explore. This happens to your body as soon as you start eating eggs every day. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more insightful health tips. Join us on a journey to a healthier and more joyful you. Stay with us for our upcoming video, where we'll unveil even more health mysteries.